Hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shergill, insurance broker. So a lot of people ask me how they can become insurance broker. I tell in a lot of my previous videos that you got to register with Insurance Brokers Association of Ontario. It calls IBAO and address is ibao.org. So you got to go on website and make your account and register your classes there. There are three options for you. First is you can get 2 weeks full-time classes on Zoom, and you can study, and they will send you the books at your home before the classes start, so you can prepare and just make sure you prepare the chapter before the lesson, and so every day if you repeat that process, and it's not very hard to pass the exam. So a lot of people who calling me coming from professional backgrounds, have their degrees, masters or bachelor's degree, or some even PhD. So if you did all those degrees, this course will not be hard, but it still requires a lot of reading and understanding the material. And second thing is, some people call me that if they can get the materials or they can get some questions for the exam, so that it can be easy to pass the exam. And I always tell, and my answer is that do not just cram and look for questions. Go through the whole material, because if you want to be in this profession and you want to do auto insurance, home insurance, condominium insurance, commercial property and commercial trucking and commercial vehicle insurance, garage insurance, and you want to know the technicalities and regulations, so you got to study thoroughly, not just for the exam but for yourself, for your career, because when you are working, and all these small principles or you learn here and there from the book applies, because once you pass the exam and you join the insurance brokerage, so passing the exam doesn't mean that you become broker. So you have to find a brokerage to get licensed. So brokerage will sponsor you, and they will sponsor your license, and then you become an insurance broker. And after you become insurance broker, you can sell insurance for that brokerage only. Whatever the companies the brokers have, some brokerage have a lot of companies in their portfolio, some small broker have few. So plus some broker have different rules of underwriting and others have different, depending on their claim ratio with the insurance companies. So that's, you have to check it out. So how many companies the brokerage have and what kind of rules they have for writing, because every brokerage have their own underwriting guidelines as well, because insurance companies do want certain kind of business, profitable business. So if one brokerage is writing a lot of business which is not profitable, high risk, that brokerage might not have insurance companies under the contract for a long time, because they do cancel the contract if they don't see any profit from that brokerage. So I say that, so first of all, study thoroughly, go through all the books, all the questions for the exam as well as for your own knowledge. And once you pass the exam, it doesn't mean that you become broker. You have to find a brokerage who will hire you to sell their products. So once you get contracted, and then that brokerage will sponsor your license, and that brokerage will cover your errors and omission insurance. And so this all process, I don't know exactly, but I believe that it about $1,000 takes to get the classes. So it's a very good field, and you become professional like any other, and easy to get in. And that's why some people fail, because they think they're so easy to get in, they don't put all the efforts. If you want to become a doctor, you spend 10 years in the university to become a doctor and residency altogether. But if you want to become an insurance broker, you spend less than a month for classes or part-time one semester, and you are eligible to look for a job with the brokerage to be a insurance broker, where you can sell for different companies, high risk drivers or good drivers, high risk properties or good properties, or sky is the limit in this. So once you become a broker and you have passed the license exam and brokerage sponsored you, and then you will get training from the brokerage. Team leaders mostly give the training, or the supervisor if they have the brokerage. They give you training for about week or 2 week. Then you start writing. But during the process, when you are going for exam, you know that for sure, because once you pass the exam, you will become a broker with one of the brokerage you will be hired with. So make sure start building your X dates. X dates we call, you have to call people, or you tell people that you are going to become broker and you're studying, and if anybody, your friends, relatives, or people in the community you contact, ask them when their policy is renewing and get their phone number or get as much information they can give. And don't tell them that you are a broker yet if you are still studying. Tell them that you are studying for broker license. Maybe within a couple months you will be a broker, and then you can give them call to get better rates, or you can save them money possible. So that's how you can say. You cannot say anybody that you are broker until you get license and sponsored by the brokerage. So money wise is if you are selling small policies like home insurance or auto, you need to write a lot of policies, 20 to 30 policies a month to get about $5,000 of commission, around that, $4,000 to $5,000 per month. But if you are a good marketer, or you have a good planning and all that inside you, that you want to grow bigger, so then you have to call bigger clients. Like if you are interested in writing commercial auto, like contact all those trucking companies who has 5 or more trucks, 10 trucks, even 50 trucks or 100 trucks, because you get commission based on the amount people are paying. If there's a bigger policy with lots of premium, like trucking companies, some people are paying $500,000 premium. Some people are paying almost $100,000 a year. So from one policy, you will get commission maybe about 5% or 6%. After the brokerage cut, brokerage get about 10-12%, and then you get 40% or 45% from that commission. So if you are writing $1 million book, then you might be getting $45,000 of commission over a year. But if you write 10 different clients of million, like a lot of big trucking companies, you can make almost $200,000 or $300,000. So same way, commercial properties, if you are contacting apartment companies like who have big apartments or big factories, they have a high premium, and properties give more commission than the autos. So auto we get about 12.5% commission brokerage, and then you cut about 40 to 45%. And commercial property you get about 20% commission, and based on that you get about 45 or 40 from that. So more bigger the client, bigger your paycheck. But no client is bigger or smaller for the beginners, because any client you get, treat them nicely, and small clients become bigger. Sometimes people come for insuring one truck. Within a few years, they end up having 50 trucks in their fleets. So more they are into the policy, you also getting commission on any addition of vehicles or addition of property. But when they cancel or delete vehicles or delete properties from the policy, you get charged back. So that's how you make money. So, but you have got to have a desire to help other people. Forget about money first. First, you see if you can contact other people for insurance, or if you have guts to say that I'm an insurance broker. Can I get your policy renewal date when it's coming? Can I save you some money? Like if you give me some details about your property or your autos, then you will be able to save them money or at least give you free quote. So that's how you will approach the business. If you can't do that, then this business is not for you. If you are people person, you are willing to talk to people and have thick skin and have guts to ask people, friends, family, and strangers, then you are in the right business. Then you will be successful. I hope I will stop here. There are a lot more to talk. You can call me at 416-831-0215. If you are nervous or still not sure if you can make any clients, you can refer me clients and you can see if you have capacity to influence people to give you information, or then I can give you some referral fee as well if you want. Just try to see if you can get clients. So, but I want you to get into business if you are thinking about it, but you got to be prepared to talk to people. That's the main thing. You got to talk. And it's a lot of talking and less work. So talking is also part of work. Sometimes whole day we talk for 4 or 5 hours, 6 hours. We're writing business for 2 hours. So that's how it goes. So thanks for watching. I'll bring another video another time. Until then, I'll say thanks for watching and stay tuned for my videos. Please subscribe and share this video to other people. Thank you.